So I have a few elements in my life that just I'm always trying to get better with, get better at my skill set within my passion, like post-production and film and all that business with like video and stuff. And then there's also trying to actually get back in shape, which I do and then I don't. It's this yo-yo thing, and it's not like a diet thing. It's just specific to my life, and it's a huge problem. And I've realized what I've been doing wrong. I'm gonna tell you about that. So the caption saying it's not okay. And basically what I mean by that is I'll run around and I'll really punch in, harp down, like obsessed about doing really good at my job or learning this thing. And that's all super awesome, except for I have no balance of taking care of my body and my health and then doing this other thing. It's always one or the other. And that's just not okay anymore. So what I'm thinking is I have to now find a way to figure out why this is. And it's not something that I have a solution for. This is not a video saying, hey, this is what the problem is. I just realized here is a problem. And it's the fact that every time I try to take care of my health, I do really good. I get really good in the gym, I make tons of results. And as soon as I'm getting those results, I switch to something else that I want to tackle too. And I feel like I can take care of both, but then I can't. And I know it's not a lifestyle thing. Yes, I could blame it on the hours I work and so on, but I don't think that's true because it's this consistent problem that's pursuing. So I'm going to sign up for some counseling, like some like a psychologist, so on. Of course, I should have done that in general. It's been a long time since I had one. I feel like there is an underlying issue with how I'm perceiving myself or how I'm perceiving my goals that I reach or what I think I'm actually reaching. And there's something a little bit more going on here because problems I'm seeing, once I took a closer look at everything, I realized that it's not all just situational. It's probably a lot of it is how I view it and how I'm perceiving it or responding to things. It's just something that I'm mentioning because perhaps you also have a problem with something and maybe you actually have to look at it and get some help yourself. Like even if it's a friend, talking to somebody, whatever. I'm going for professional help because I feel like I have other issues I want to tackle too and just take care of at this point. That's kind of what I've come to the conclusion. No more fucking around, basically. Like I'm gonna tackle these things. I'm getting too old for this shh. So that's kind of the end of this little video. You know what? Sometimes if you can't do it yourself, you got to get somebody else to help you out. And acknowledging that you need help sometimes is important. So that's it. Till next time. Over.